Hi everyone, Charles from Ion Books here. As you may know, from the 1st of July this year, Payday Super is here in Australia. That means when you process payroll for your employees, you need to pay the superannuation for that payroll at the same time. The old system of paying superannuation quarterly is gone forever. QuickBooks Online has made some recent changes that will make processing this Payday Super a lot easier. And so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to process Payday Super in QBO. So how do you get started? Well, right here from this screen, you'll have finished processing your employee payroll. And so now you need to get ready and create a superannuation payment. It's as simple as clicking this button here, Create Super Payment. QBO will then batch up together all the superannuation for this payroll. You'll be able to see a grand total of the amount down the bottom right here. And if you're happy with that and ready to pay it, simply hit the Submit button. QBO will then give you a summary again of which bank account it's going to debit from and just ask you to confirm that. After you've hit the Submit button, that's it. Payday Super is actually all done. There's a summary there on the page for you. And over the next 24 hours, QBO will debit your bank account and then submit the superannuation to all of the various super funds for you. As you can see, it's a fairly easy flow that's already built into the payroll process. I hope that's been useful for you. Over the coming weeks, we'll be releasing new videos on how to fix any potential Payday Super errors that you have. So please like, subscribe and turn notifications on for our channel so that you know when we release those videos. Thanks for watching. Cheers.